The Nord 5 is built with exactly the same formula you'd expect from a Nord. Everything is a notch below the flagship, yet balanced, and the camera is good for $450. I think I've spoiled the whole thing, but if you like, let's do it out. The Nord 5 has a flat, simple, Samsung-like design, which is also large at 6.8 inches. It has a good weight balance, but is not the most comfortable phone. The front panel is Gorilla Glass 7i, which is the budget version of the Victus 2, but the back panel and frame are plastic. The plastic is of good quality and matte, but it is still plastic. It feels a bit like a toy and the scratches. IP65 does the job, but it could have been better. The famous mute slider is transformed to OnePlus key. Action button actually. The display bezels are extremely small and symmetrical. The display itself is OLED, 120Hz, HDR10+, 10-bit with PMW, 3800Hz. In short, the display has a completely flagship feel. Maybe its color accuracy is not up to the flagships. The point is, in the specifications, it says 144Hz. It never reaches this number in reality. Maybe it is a 144Hz panel, but the software does not allow it. It has a stereo speakers, and it really has a very good volume and sharpness for mid-range. The under-display fingerprint sensor is optical, and as always, is a bit slow. If you're in India, congratulations! The battery of this phone is 6800 mAh. But if you're in other places, it is 5200 mAh. It easily lasts a full day with semi-heavy use. I don't know about the Indian version, maybe half a day more. The charger that is not in the box is 80 watts, and it charges almost fully in 40 minutes. Amazing! But it is a OnePlus, and you don't get wireless charging at this price. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 3S is almost the same as 8 Gen 1 Plus, and 8 or 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 makes up the hardware of this phone. It is not the best hardware in this price range, but it is rock solid. Everything is very smooth, it handles the heaviest tasks well, and is great. Its cooling system is also great, maybe the best in this price range. It comes with Android and OxygenOS 15 and has 4 years of full software support. It can compete. It has good customizations, it has interesting features, it has almost solved the problem of lack of AI, and now you have Magic Razor, Magic Editor, Call Translate, and Summarization. It is not the best, true, but it will not disappoint you. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel wide lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which is obviously trash, and a 50-megapixel selfie camera. In daylight, the dynamic range is good, sharpness and detail are good, saturation is a bit high, and colors are a bit exaggerated. In portrait shots, the background blur is relatively natural, subject separation is good, and I also liked the face processing. In night mode, the photos have average dynamic range, highlights are a bit overexposed, colors are good, sharpness is very good, and noise is low but visible. Ultra-wide shots are not really good. There is a lot of distortion, colors are washed out, dynamic range is average, and detail is not so much. Selfies are probably the best part of this phone. Detail and sharpness are excellent, dynamic range is good, face processing is lovely, everything is almost great. Only in low light, it has noise. The wide lens is equipped with OIS and can record 4K 60fps video, which is good, but Samsung and Apple are definitely much better in videography. OnePlus Nord 5 is a nice and balanced phone with good specs and software that has something to say in all eras. But for example, if your priority is a specific, like the camera or hardware, there are better options. And if you want a balanced phone with a little weaker specs but a unique UI, the A56 is also a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you next video.